light. There's live left turns. Sometimes they go early, sometimes they go at the same time. So there they go. This also used to have live left turns. It's really cool with the doghouse, but now it's split phase for a bus priority project. So I'm gonna go when the all-way walk comes on. So I clicked those two buttons. So it should be now. There they are. Rapid Take Polara. It's actually funny. This is Alewife, Brook, Parkway at Massachusetts Avenue. And there's actually an audio for this exact crossing on Polara's website, but they don't use it, even though it's free, because it's already made for them, with the guy's voice. So it's weird. I think Kyle will get a kick out of that. But yeah, check out the Polara website. Search Mass Ave. Welcome up.